Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. Good evening to you, boys. Thank you so much for joining the class. So let us summarize all the important points that we have learned in today's lesson. Today we started from page number 31 and question number 5. So in this question, we came to know that how we can combine two sentences by using and. Like here, you can see the example. My teddy's name is Bruno, and he has only one eye. Like my teddy's name is Bruno. He has only one eye. These are two sentences. You can see the full stop here. But if we are going to combine these two sentences, so we can put and in between these two sentences, so it will become a one single sentence, right? Then we have seen the question number 6. Could is the past form of can. What is couldn't? The past form of couldn't is also a negative, like see the not, when there's a not with the word couldn't, cannot, or would not. So these are all shows us the negative words where there's a no, right? So I can play the football. I cannot play the football. I can play the football. It's a simple sentence, right? And I cannot play the football. So it is a negative sentence, right? Choose one of the three memory stories. How could sentence with the could or couldn't that you could find? And write them. Yes, we are going to choose a sentence out of these three memories that includes could and couldn't. And let me show you these sentences. So you are going to write these sentences on your notebook. Here you can see we could play in the sand and swim in the sea all day, and I couldn't sleep that night without my teddy bear. See this, the could and couldn't we can find in these two sentences. So you can write or highlight these two sentences in your book. Then in a proud memory, we can see the sentences here. She thought I couldn't climb that far. So the use of couldn't you can see here. And the second sentence is I knew you could do it. See here, could and couldn't. So in the proud memory, there are two sentences that includes could and couldn't. Okay, then in happy memory, we can find the two sentences as well that includes could and could not. Here, we couldn't eat anymore, and our parents said we could play. So you can see here couldn't and could in the happy memory as well. Okay, let's go down. Furthermore, write two things that you couldn't do when you were a baby. So there were many things that you couldn't do, like I couldn't run, I couldn't speak, I couldn't walk, I couldn't eat by myself. So these are all the things that you couldn't do when you were a baby. And write two things that you could do, like I could uh, I could cry when I was a baby, and I could drink the milk in my feeder when I was a baby. And the seventh question, draw a picture of a memory that you have. Like you have seen the pictures here. With each memory, we have pictures on the book. Like you see this picture, of Bruno, then the picture of grandpa and the girl Link, then the picture of bridesmaid with the bride and groom. You can draw a picture and write a title of that memory, that it's a happy memory or a sad memory or a proud memory, and write few sentences about that memory as well. Okay. Then our today's lesson was about to choose a project. In this lesson, we are going to choose one project out of these two. The first project is make a memories scrapbook. So with your group, choose one of these subjects. Individually, obviously, that you are going to choose. There are no groups because these are the online classes. So individually, you are going to perform this task. Choose one title out of these three: family celebration, birthdays, or holidays. Or although you can choose all these three. Make a scrapbook and write the title and author's name on the cover. Like I gave you an example of a scrapbook. I showed you a video on YouTube. To see further, you can watch the video on what's on the YouTube. Now, how you can make a scrapbook, right? So here was an idea. So see, this is the kind of a scrapbook that you are going to prepare, and look at the second instruction that each person must bring in a photo or draw a picture of their memory. Each person write 2 or 3 sentences about their picture, like we can see here in this picture. It's a birthday celebration. So this is me at my birthday. Here's she wearing a birthday cap. And my best birthday gift was a bicycle. So this is how you can write some descriptions, some sentences related to that picture, which you are going to paste on the scrapbook. Okay. And about the second project, make a pop-up birthday card. The first thing that you're going to do, make a list of the people in your family and find out the date of their birthdays. It's an easy task. Just make a list like this: my father, 25th January, my aunt, 31st January, my brother, my sister, my grandpa, my grandmother, uncle, aunt. So you can include their names and their birthdays. You are going to write whose birthday is next. Anyone's whose birthday is coming up in this month or the next month. So you are going to prepare a birthday pop-up card for them, right? And the birthday pop-up card, it looks like this. See, there all the pop-up card. So it's a task to enhance your creativity. Look at this. There are different ideas or to make a pop-up card you can find on the YouTube. And 2 things that you're going to write on that pop-up card: that happy birthday to father, happy birthday to mother, sister, brother, and from, you will write your name here, from Abdullah, Ayan, Rayan, anyone. You're going to write your own name here. And the fourth thing is that you're going to write some greetings as well. Have a lovely day, many happy returns, happy birthday to you, stay blessed. There are many greetings that you can write for them. You can write 1, 2, 3, it's up to you. Okay. So that was the second project. So you guys are going to choose one project out of these two and send the project to me on my WhatsApp. Right. That is it for today. And I'll see you in the next class. Take care and goodbye.